Hello friends, this is the second part of Jayashree Jewels. So if you haven't seen my first part of video of Jayashree Jewels, I have mentioned the link in the description box. Please go and watch the first part as well.
Let's move towards our next section, which is for tops. So in this section you can find infinite variety of single studded tops. So let's have a look on the variety of tops.
So we'll start from here, the simple ones.
Okay.
You can see this.
Okay.
This is 24 rupees for 1 dozen. 1 dozen means this entire card.
Okay, 24 rupees, only 24
Yes,
rupees
that
for
means
this
2
entire
rupees
card.
per pair.
2 rupees per pair, and it's very beautiful. Just have a look on it. I'm just focusing camera on it.
This is 54 rupees for 3 dozen.
Okay, this is 54 rupees for 3 dozen. Only move towards our next section, which is back office, where all the barcodings are done, and you can see. I think these are packed for customers, like they are ready to dispatch.
Yeah, so these are somehow only the back office stuff. Our packaging is actually in a different manner. I'll show you that.
All right. So friends, this is the billing counter where all the billings have been done.
So this is how the packaging is done. So this is the carton which is being filled right now.
You can see.
So once the carton is being filled, after the carton it will be packed like this. And after this, we'll also put a white cover over it, so that your products reaching best of the shape. There is no damage of any kind. You can see the thickness of the cartons that we use. This is the thickness of the carton. It is 12-layer carton that we use.
So your product won't get damaged at any cost. So let's move towards our next section, which is section 7.
Only on stone necklace set. Don't focus on this. So.
Okay, so just look at the section stone necklace set. These are heavy necklaces and these are fully studded with stones.
These are also called as mini bridals, because you will get the earrings also, you will get a nut also, you will get a monk teak also along with this.
Okay. So yes, you can use it as a mini bridal as well. I mean, it's very beautiful. And the cost for this set
This one is 180 rupees.
180 rupees. So this is your own manufacturing. I can
Yes.
see the JS. Okay,
Yes.
so Jayashree Jewelers is itself a brand in the world of jewelry, guys.
Jayashree. So wherever Jayashree is written. So if you go around and if you see in Sadar market also, you will find a lot of people selling this jewelry of ours. Because we are supplying to many people within Sadar Bazaar also. So it's JS, wherever you say JS, Jayashree, it's our product.
Okay. So you can see this is the own manufacturing of Jayashree Jewelers, which is already mentioned on this card. You can see.
So there are easily 500 plus designs that we get in this.
Okay, 500 plus designs they have in this section. Now look at this design.
It comes at 95 rupees.
It comes at 95 rupees, only 95 rupees. This is Jadao jewelry and it's in multicolor stone neck piece. This is, and this is of only 150 rupees. You can see this, how beautiful is this, with this pearls in this as well. And friends, you can see the entire range, entire variety of jewelries we have in this section. But yes, unfortunately, we cannot cover all the collection for you. So you can only see, or like we can only show you the collection in a gist only, right? So you better come to this place once.
This is called as Dubai jewelry.
Dubai jewelry. Okay, friends, just have a look on it. This is called Dubai jewelry. And this is very beautiful, and the cost of this is 120 rupees per piece. This is of 120 rupees per piece, and this is very beautiful. You can see this, how beautiful a pendant set is this, and the cost of this beautiful pendant set is 55 rupees only. You can see the collection of small Mangal Sutras. These are very unique Mangal Sutras, and this is of only 23 rupees per piece. So just have a look on this beautiful collection of Dubai jewelry, and the price of this beautiful necklace piece is, any guesses? No, it's only of 47 rupees per card, and it's very beautiful. Just have a closer look on it. Now you can see the design of these beautiful Mangal Sutras with antique polish. So these are with antique polish, and the price of these Mangal Sutras are not much. This is of 30 rupees per piece. This is of 30 rupees per piece only. We are heading towards the next section, which is section 8. You can see here, and this section consists of nut, tikas, pasas, kamar belts, and Mangal Sutras, damini, and some brooches as well.
So all the accessories products are over here. You will get nut.
Okay.
Like this. This is like this one is 29 rupees.
29 rupees only. Friends, you can see the design of this beautiful nut, and you will get it only in 29 rupees per piece. See how beautiful this is.
Products like Matha Patti, 135 rupees.
And you can get the products like Matha Patti, this kind of Matha Patti, and this is fully studded with these kind of stones. And this is of only 135 rupees. You can see the beautiful brooches. These are also studded with, you know, beautiful stones, and this is of only 21 rupees per piece. This is anklets actually, and these anklets are very beautiful, only at a price of 35 rupees per pair, right? Yes. You can get the tikas like this, and the price for the single tika is 52 rupees. 52 rupees per card.
You have brooches like this which can be like put on coat
Coats.
as well as a sari.
Yes. Just look at the brooch, which is very beautiful, and the price of this brooch is only...
You can check, it's 52 rupees.
No, it's brooch.
Yeah, this one is 47.
47 rupees. So this brooch is of only 47 rupees, friends. This is very beautiful.
And there are brooches available like this, the bigger ones.
And these are the bigger ones. These are the bigger brooches which you can use for saris and as well as on any Indo-Western dresses of grooms also.
Then we have kamar belt. There are kamar belts like this. Many varieties in kamar belt also.
Okay. So friends, these are kamar belts. These are beautiful kamar belts, and we have like a lot of variety in kamar belts. And the price of this beautiful kamar belt is only
66 rupees.
This is only of 66 rupees. So yes, you have to buy the whole box. So friends, we are moving towards to our next section, which is Jhumka and Bali section. So you can see a lot of variety of Jhumkas and Balis in this section. So let's know the prices of these beautiful earrings. So you can see the entire collection is displayed here.
See the designs over here. I think at present you can easily see around 200 to 300 designs which are on display.
Yes.
We have many more designs other than this also available.
Okay. So this is very beautiful. Friends, you can see how beautiful this is. This is actually very latest and very trendy design, and this is only of I guess 64 rupees per pair.
Yes.
Okay, this is only of 64 rupees per pair, and you can get many colors in this as well.
It's enamel work that has been done.
Yes, this is enamel work, and this is very beautiful. You can see how beautiful this is.
You will get one like in black matte. This is a different material.
Okay.
Then there are this jhumki is available.
In multicolor.
Yes, multicolor jhumki. Then more enamel work. This one so trendy and
Yes, this
pleasant
is.
looking butterfly design.
Yes, this is butterfly design with jhumki, and this is only 46 rupees per pair. And now just look at this beautiful jhumka earrings. You can see how beautiful this is, and this is only 58 rupees per pair, and the quality of this is very superb and fine.
See this one. There's a jhumki at 58 rupees per pair.
Just look at these kind of jhumkas. This is only 58 rupees per pair, and this is in rose gold color actually, and this is looking very beautiful. And here you can see we have some, you know, like oxidized and metal kind of stuff as well.
The oxidized jewelry we have.
Yes.
See this one. This comes in American diamond earrings.
Okay.
Look at the quality of the crystal. I'll open one and show you.
All right. All right.
See this. Focus on these crystals, please. See the quality.
Focus on the crystals. Friends, you can see this, how beautiful these earrings are. This is in American diamond, which is famous as AD jewelry, and this is very beautiful, and the cost for this beautiful earring pair is only
23 rupees.
it's only for 23 rupees. And trust me, the quality of this particular product is actually amazing.
Then we have oxidized earrings. Which are
Yes.
available.
You can see some oxidized jewelries here. These are very beautiful oxidized jewelries.
Oxidized jewelry with feather. Threads.
ये कितने का?
28 rupees.
28 rupees. So friends, just look at this beautiful oxidized jewelry, oxidized earring with feather, with black feather. So this is only of 23 rupees. So can we get some more colors in this?
Yes.
Okay, so friends, you can also get
28 rupees.
okay, this is of 28 rupees actually, and you can get so many colors in this, like the color of feather will be changed. Just look at this, how beautiful this is. It's in multicolor. You can pair it up with any dress.
There are many designs available. You can
You can see how many designs are available here. Let me just randomly show you some designs. Just look at this design of beautiful jhumkas, and this is of 28 rupees only. And just look at this Bali jhumka earrings. Look at this beautiful collection of Bali jhumka earrings, and this is of only 35 rupees per pair. So you can see the entire collection, how beautiful collection of earrings and mang tikas we have. Focus on this. This is also very beautiful. 58 rupees, right? Just look at this beautiful earring. This is only of 58 rupees. So we have reached to our next section, which is section 10, and section 10 consists of bangles and bracelets and panjas. You can see how beautiful these bangles are.
85 rupees per pair.
It's only 85 rupees per pair, and it's actually very beautiful. Friends, you can see how beautiful these bangles are, and the price of these beautiful and elegant bangles is only
This is 62 rupees.
only 62 rupees for 4 bangles. These bangles are very beautiful along with hangings, and the cost of these beautiful bangles is only 33 rupees for 4 bangles. And you can see how beautiful these bangles are. Let me just wear it and show you. This is very beautiful. And the price of these beautiful bangles is only 85 rupees. Just look at the quality of the bangles. It's only of 85 rupees. Look at this beautiful piece of panja, you can say, and you can see how beautiful and elegant this is. My hand is looking so beautiful. And the price for this,
55 rupees.
it's only of 55 rupees. The price for this beautiful hand panja is only 55 rupees, and you can see this is completely studded with beautiful stones. Just look at the finishing of this beautiful piece, and it comes with a hanging. It's very beautiful, and the price of this beautiful bracelet is only
27 rupees.
27 rupees. Friends, the price of this beautiful bracelet is only 27 rupees, but yes, you have to buy the whole box. This is another product which is a broad kada, you can say, and this is also very beautiful, which comes with a price of only,
This one is 90 rupees.
this comes with a price of 90 rupees only, and this is also very beautiful. You can see how beautiful it has been designed actually.
We have this product, the watch bracelet.
Okay, beautiful. Now look at this beautiful product, which is a watch bracelet. You can get bracelet along with watch. This is very beautiful, and the price of this,
77 rupees.
it's only of 77 rupees. Friends, it's very beautiful and elegant as well.
More designs available in this like this.
And in this, more designs are also available. The chain is with of crystals, crystal studded bracelet along with.
So in all the products that you are seeing, you will get a lot of designs and a lot of
And the
colors.
price of this is also.
This one is 80 rupees.
So this one is for 80 rupees. The crystal bracelet along with watch. Section, which is section 11, bridal set. So let's have a look on bridal sets. So we can start with the minimum range.
So in the bridal sets, our range starts from 195 rupees.
Only 195 rupees with bridal. That's cool.
You. This one is actually 520 rupees. Let me figure out.
Okay. So this bridal set is of only 525 rupees. You can see this. This is completely studded with stones. This is actually very beautiful.
195.
So friends, this is of 195 rupees only. This is actually a bridal set which is available only at a price of 195 rupees, and you can see JS is mentioned here. So this is the manufacturing of own Jayashree Jewelers, and this is the original product of Jayashree
So
Jewelers.
you see these complete necklaces there, along with the tika, the hatful, the nut, all everything is mentioned is available with this.
Exactly.
Earrings is obviously there.
Yes. So friends, look at this beautiful bridal set, which is actually very trendy these days. And the cost of this complete bridal set is only
1120.
1120 rupees. So you can get the complete bridal set in 1120 rupees. And this is the necklace. This is the long Rani har with this necklace, and these are the beautiful earrings with this necklace. And this is matha patti along with tika. This is beautiful nut, and pasa is also available in this. This is beautiful.
You also get complete bridal sets in 700 rupees.
Okay, so friends, you can also get the complete bridal sets in 700 rupees. These kind of bridal sets, along with like kundan and polki stones, you can see.
All the accessories are available with this set.
So these kind of, you know, bridal sets are available like this. It's a complete bridal set along with long Rani har, nut, matha patti and hath phool and waist belt as well. One more golden colored bridal set you can see, and this is of only 700 rupees. You can get the complete bridal set in 700 rupees. See, you can see these kind of long Rani hars. This is very beautiful. This is of pearls actually, and this is of only 300 rupees. And it's very beautiful and elegant. This is also a very beautiful bridal set, and the cost of this bridal set is 1320 rupees only. This is of 1320 rupees, and this is also very trendy these days. You can get this beautiful bridal set in only 1320 rupees. And just look at the nut of this set. This is actually very beautiful. So friends, this is section 12, stone necklace set. So in this section, you will get the like huge variety of stone necklaces. So let's start with the minimum price of it.
It's 23 rupees.
Only 23 rupees.
It's mainly for kids.
Okay, for kids. So friends, you can see how beautiful this is, how cute this is. This is actually for kids, and this is only for 23 rupees. You can see this design. This is of 75 rupees, and this is with the mang tika, earrings, and along with a nut as well. Look at this earring. It's a beautiful necklace set along with earrings, and again it comes with a nut only. This is of 80 rupees only. This is also very beautiful. You can see this, the finishing and the elegant look of this. And this is also very beautiful, and this is of 90 rupees only. And in each of these sets you will get nut.
This one is 36.
And this one is of 36 rupees only. I mean, what you will get in 36 rupees. Seriously, it's very amazing. The prices at Jayashree Jewellers is actually unbelievable. You won't get these prices in the whole southern market.
So there are endless designs over here. You can
Yes.
These are the ones that are available like 250. See this one is also called as a mini bridal. It's 280 rupees.
Okay, it's on only 280 rupees. This is mini bridal set actually.
This whole set is available for only 200 rupees.
So this whole crystal set is available for only 200 rupees. Like, so friends, this was the collection of Jayashree Jewellers. So if you guys want to, you know, buy something online, so you just need to place a order of minimum amount is 10,000 rupees within India, and outside of India it would be
20,000.
20,000 rupees. Yes, you can place orders online, and they will send you a catalog. Yes, you have a, you can.
We are will be giving our WhatsApp numbers. The moment you send us our WhatsApp message, you will get the catalog link. Along with that, there will be option to book a video call. There will be our social media links, that all that you will get, and you can easily book a video call with us, book your products. You can look at our catalog and select the products from there and give us the order.
Okay, so friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share it with maximum number of your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep showering your love.